Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit and animate your logo with CapCut. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Then go to new project. In here select your photo which have the logo that you want to add in your video, and then remove the background. And in here I am using this Instagram logo. Now go to effect and put that neon effect on your photo. Now tap on text and then scroll like this, then tap on draw, and in here you guys will find out this. And now choose the effect that you want. For example, I'm choose this one, and now select the color and then remove the logo like this. In here let's add animation. I'm going to use this animation here. Then export the video and let's go. And now you have to put that video again on your timeline, and then let's reverse the video. Tap on the video and then scroll like this. Then you guys will find out this option reverse. Tap on here and then you guys will find the reverse version of this video, and then you guys can customize the speed. So this is how you guys can edit and animate your logo by using CapCut app. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day for videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.